In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil on this Mercedes E350. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this shield, use an 8mm socket, take all these bolts out. On the sides, you're going to have these bolts to take out. There should be 2. Same with the other side. Just grab the panel, slide it down. Now we're going to remove this panel. Use the same 8mm socket. Take these screws out. And slide it down. With a 13mm wrench over on the passenger side, we're going to loosen up the drain plug. Make sure you have a drain bucket underneath. There you go, it's going to come out. It's going to be a seal on the drain plug. You can take that seal off. You want to replace that seal. Put the new seal on. And after it stops dripping, put the drain plug back in. Torque the drain plug to 22 foot-pounds. Just take a rag, just wipe off any excess. It does hit the frame right here, so just clean that up the best you can. You can use brake parts cleaner as well. That's good. Take this shield, line it up. Get the screws started. Snug those down. Slide this shield in place. Get the bolts started. On the sides, get those started. Tighten those down. Take this cover off, just pull straight up. Oil filter is right under here. You're going to need a 74mm oil filter adapter. Loosen that up. Slide that out. Take the oil filter out of the housing. Just slide that off. You can see there's O-rings right here. We're going to replace those. Just take these off. I'm just going to use a pick. Slide those off, and just take the new O-rings, slide those on. Just be careful, don't stab the new O-ring. And then there's another larger O-ring over here. We're going to take that off. Just squeeze this together. Slides off. Take the new one and slide it on. There you go. Just take some oil, make sure they're lubed up. That's good. Take the new filter and slide it on. Push it all the way down. There we go. I'm going to take the filter, line it up, screw that down. Go nice and slow once you get to the O-ring. Make sure it doesn't pop out. We'll torque this to 18 foot-pounds. That's good. Remove the oil fill cap. Take a nice clean funnel. And use the appropriate synthetic oil. In our climate, we are using 5W30, and this vehicle requires 8.5 quarts of oil. I've already added 8 quarts, so I'm just going to add another half a quart. That's good right there. Take the funnel away, put the cap back on, put this cover on. Then we're going to start it up, run it for about 15 seconds, and then shut it down. And you want to grab the dipstick, wipe it off, reinsert the dipstick, wait about 3 or 4 seconds, slide it out. You want to see the oil in between these hash marks. If you waited a little longer, if we wait a couple minutes, the oil's going to drain down and it should be a little bit higher. But that's good. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.